everyone! Look what I have! It's my favorite Phonics Fables book. I was just about to read you a wonderful story about a busy little ant who loved to explore. Once upon a time, in a cozy anthill, lived a very active ant. He loved to march all day long. One sunny morning, the ant decided to take a trip on a big blue boat? That's funny. I thought this story was about an ant, not a boat. Let's see. The big blue boat sailed smoothly on the water, carrying a juicy red apple? Wait a minute, now the boat has an apple? This magical book is mixing things up. This is actually kind of fun. Let's see what happens next. The juicy red apple was so delicious that it attracted a friendly fluffy bear wearing a silly hat. What was the apple doing near a bear? I think the stories are getting all tangled. Can you help me figure out which things belong together? Let's think. Ants usually live in an anthill. And what rhymes with boat? Maybe a goat? Yes, a goat could be on a boat. Okay, let's try again. The big blue boat sailed smoothly on the water, carrying a friendly fluffy bear who loved to climb trees for honey. That makes more sense. Bears like honey. But what about our ant? The ant was marching. Where could he march? Maybe to a camp? Ant and camp don't exactly rhyme, but ants can be found at a camp. Let's see if the book agrees. The very active ant decided to take a trip to a sunny beach? Oh dear, even more mixing. Ant beach? What starts with the buzz sound and can be found on a beach? A ball? You're so good at this. Let's try one more. Reads, on the sunny beach, the little ball bounced so high that it landed near a purring cat. A ball near a cat. That sounds like a fun game. And what rhymes with cat? A hat? On the sunny beach, the little ball bounced so high that it landed near a purring cat wearing a silly hat. See? We're putting the stories back together. This magical book just needed our help. Sometimes, things can get mixed up. But if we think carefully about the sounds and what makes sense, we can figure things out. Just like we helped the Phonics Fables book. Keep practicing your letter sounds and exploring new words. You never know what kind of magical stories you might discover.
Phonifox reading by the stream, an ant so busy it would seem, marching along one sunny day. Then a boat appeared, hip hooray! Ant and boat, that's not quite right. This magical book's a funny sight. Oh, the book is mixing stories all around. Apple on a boat without a sound, reason found. Let's sort them out with sounds we know. Which words together like to go? A big blue boat upon the lake, carrying an apple for goodness sake. The apple so sweet, a tasty treat, attracted a bear, oh what a meet. Apple and bear, a puzzling pair. Let's use our sounds and show we care. Oh, the book is mixing stories all around. Apple on a boat without a sound, reason found. Let's sort them out with sounds we know. Which words together like to go? Ants in the hill, boats on the sea. Bears love honey, wild and free. Cats chase balls, it's plain to see. Rhyming words help you and me. Oh, the book is mixing stories all around. Apple on a boat without a sound, reason found. Let's sort them out with sounds we know. Which words together like to go? Magical book, a fun surprise. Learning together with happy eyes. Sounds and stories across